got the latest news. We don't care about the views, we just representing right. Put local news internationally every night. On the spot, wave that Jamaican flag from left to right. Let's get it right, y'all know the type. We ain't dealing with the hype. We make it take flight.
Yeah man, my viewers and subscribers, what go on. A blessed and wonderful Thursday evening to each and every person out there tuning in to On The Spot News Media. Now, my peeps, I don't know how we do it over on this side. So we have a few stories to share with you, the regular members of Chan Public and also members of the diaspora. So please like the video, share the video, watch the entire vlog so you can get a full understanding and a better appreciation of everything we go on in a Jamaica. So watch this now, my peeps. We're gonna kick it off with an update coming out of the troubled, war-torn, crime-riddled St. James Police Division, where several residents of the Hellgate community and other areas in Orange in St. James staged a fiery protest today, Thursday, protesting against what they say was an unwarranted fatal knockings and clappings of 3 men on Tuesday. So residents took to the streets on Boxing Day that today and blocked 3 different sections of the Orange Main Road to showcase their feelings on the matter in which the 3 men lost their lives. The 3 men have since been identified as this man presently on your screen, known as Alex Medley, otherwise known as Scrampy in the streets. And the next man identified as Rojay Duncan, and a man only known by his alias as Max. So according to the police reports, police officers had gone to the community to execute a search warrant for a person of interest in relation to gang violence in the Rosites community in St. James. The violence has contributed to several fatal knockings and clappings and some shootings, which resulted in the serious injuries of people, and also to include the loss of life of social media influencer Marvin Samuels, otherwise known as 41 Bossed. So the police stated that they came under gunfire, and when the fire was returned, 3 men were found lifeless, suffering from what appears to be some whole heap of carnal wounds inflicted by them. However, residents disputed the claims. The police also stated that, hey, they recovered 3 illegal weapons. So now the residents are refuting the claims of the police and stating that the men had peacefully surrendered to the police when they were approached in the early morning police raid. It is said that this then led to the roadblock on Thursday, with residents using a variety of objects to obstruct vehicular traffic on the sections of the roadway. So this picture here, I show exactly what go on in a Orange. Boy, me I tell you, the thing rough. So now my peeps, so On The Spot News Media I get from the ground, because you don't know, so we have connects, we have links all over. So we make a one connect in the streets, and we get to understand, say, yo, the youth them are some little scammers. And I just basically over a year now them start the scamming and start make a food and I eat a food, and what is said that them have a connection with a certain set of police. But what them a do now, them buy some straps and them a go road and a go on with a bag of things. Them now go on with nothing in a for them area, you know. So in a for them area, they are seen as angels, innocent youths. So what the streets have said, the protest is not necessarily about to prove that the youth them are not gunman, you know. The protest is about how the police them come dirt them. So basically the streets I say them not innocent, but how them lose them 3 pints, them lose it innocently. Yeah man. So the people them a wonder, say boy, how police fi come slap them way when them have a link with a certain set of police. But you know if you understand, say you have police where come for come do them work, and you have police where in a corruption. So obviously the man them who come slap them way, I not feed them link that. Because if I did feed them link, I would have free walk away. Because when I just brought this story to you, remember that I played a voice clip from one of the deceased man's girlfriend. And she clearly stated that a regular police come pick them up, carry them go to station, and let them go back. So if them a did wrong doers, them would have keep them down there. So why police are gonna come take up man when in a ranks all the while, over and over and over again? When you can understand, say police come pick up some man and go process them and let them go back. Police now go continuously pick up a man who them know innocent over and over and over again. Your name must a call, your name must mix up in a certain things. So the residents them really cut up over the fact, say, yo, police, a set of police a collect a piece of food from them out of the scamming, and then police come slap them away. But you no need to understand, say, I know every police are gonna mix up in the bangarang. Yeah, man. So anyway, make we continue. Now over there in the Westmoreland Police Division, a family has been plunged into mourning as they have lost the matriarch of their family. On your screen is 91 years old Katleen Scott, who lost her life in a house fire just moments after having a wonderful Christmas with her families. Boy, may I tell you, the thing rough. The woman's daughter, Merlene Scott, stated that she woke up to use the bathroom, then went back to bed. She stated that she made another visit to the bathroom and subsequently went to the kitchen where she noticed fire and smoke coming from her now deceased mother's bedroom. Now we're going to hear from her daughters who recall this horrific and heart-wrenching way to lose their mother.
Wake me up out of my sleep and say, whole I house a bone down. And me drop down and my son said, son, come take me up and put me back in my bed. After he put me back in my bed, he said, I go back down there. And me say, why me start cry. And me say, oh God, me can't believe, say. And he come back with you, say, Mama, burn up. Me say, really, Chubbykin? Say, Mama, burn up in a fire. Lord, and me drop down and then he say, go relax. Mama, go relax. Go relax in your bed before you come down here for a big disaster down here. So a crowd of people, you can't go face it. Crowd of people, and me relax and me wait till about after 10. What time now? What is the time now, Martin? I reach after 10. Me reach here and he said, boy, Martin, I sit down and he said, sit down right there. So I relax and me start crying and get weak. And whole of my body just weak. Weak, just weak. Me say, God, no, Mama, me feed Mama with water. Yesterday, I give him apple and I give him orange. And I can't believe it, Mama, God. And I start crying, God. Eh?
Have you seen the body?
No, we don't see the body, but we out on the veranda yesterday. And we give me large drop of water and cake, everything. Orange and apple. Scrape out the apple and give it. And he said, God bless me, my daughter. He said, yes, he said.
When I wake up, like in the 3:30 or 3:34, 3:35, so in the morning, I go use the restroom. And after I use the restroom, then I go check on her in her room. And she was okay. And me touch her and I say, Mom, you're all right? He said, yes, my daughter. I'm okay, man. And so I said, all right, then I go back in my room. I said, all right, my daughter. And when I go back in my room now, I never feel so well, so I go use back the bathroom again. So I no sleep. I can't sleep again because my stomach no feel so well. So I did me use the restroom and wash off my hand and go back in my room. And I say, all right, I go in the kitchen. Go in the kitchen, go take up something. And I go on there and look, I see fire. I come from fear bedroom. Yeah, and the door, I kick off the door. And try to save her, but it now go make it to my son. Missy say, can make fire more than me. Yeah, not a fire. We couldn't do no better. I feel it so much. My mom is there for us. Take care of us. Oh my God, I'm the last girl for her. I do that for her 24/7. She talk with me, she reason with me, and she laugh. Even yesterday, she watch TV, we watch TV till after 9. And then she say, all right, me I bring her in now, me bring her in. She enjoy her diaper. And then me and she say prayers together, and she say, all right, me daughter, me go relax. And I say, all right, ma'am, me not ready to go bed. Me I go and watch TV till when me ready to sleep. He say, all right, me daughter, I go and do it. And that's it, more again. And after that, me tell her, say, me get up in a before day, like in I treat her. Call it's about to 4. And me wake up, go check on her.
So what was Christmas like? Christmas, you spend Christmas together?
Yeah, we spend Christmas together.
What was it like? Walk us through that.
She have a good time. Yeah, we sit down and we watch that time. So we was having TV on, we watch TV. She eat together and she drink Malta and she speak to her son because yesterday was her son's birthday. Yeah, so I speak to his son and my son. I say, Mom, you're drinking, man. He say, yeah. So his son turned in. I say, man, I no drinking. I said, no, me not drunk. And Malta, me a drink. You understand? And we say, okay. So we just sit there, we have fun, me and she. And we sorry for hear like how she just pass up in the fire like that. One more man. She's 91.
So On the Spot News Media is offering its most sincere condolences to the bereaved families of that 91-year-old stalwart, Jaja. Now over there in the troubled, war-torn, crime-riddled Clarendon Police Division, the Hayes Police in Clarendon is presently investigating the loss of life of a man whose body was found at his home with burn marks. Now the man will end up lose 3 points has since been identified as 59-year-old truck driver Walter Tomlinson, said to be of a Savannah district in the parish of Clarendon. So reports from the police will suggest that sometime after 12:20 p.m. on Wednesday, police received reports of a body in a house in the community. Checks made reveal that the now deceased Walter Tomlinson's body was seen with a whole heap of red substance leaking from it, and the body also had burn marks to the right leg. The scene was examined and the body removed to the morgue. The Hayes police says no motive has been established by them in relation to that particular incident. Now On the Spot News Media will most definitely be giving you an update as it relates to the now deceased Walter Tomlinson from Savannah District. Yeah, man. And still in the parish of Clarendon, 2 men was taken into custody on Monday after they were found with an illegal firearm in Yorktown in Clarendon. The police stated that they seized a Browning 9mm pistol fitted with a magazine containing 13 rounds during an operation. The police report stated that sometime around 4:45 p.m., the police were on patrol in Yorktown when 2 men were seen sitting under a tree along the roadway. Upon the approach of the police, the men reportedly started acting in a manner which aroused the suspicion of the officers. The men were searched and the firearm removed from a bag. One of the men were carrying that bag. Both men were later arrested and taken into police custody. Both men will be officially charged and their court dates set. Now over there in the St. Catherine South Police Division in the community of Old Harbour, the Independent Commission of Investigation has launched a probe into the circumstances that caused a police officer to can up a man in the Bannister district in Old Harbour last night. So according to information reaching On the Spot News Media is that a few minutes before 8 p.m. a police constable was at a family gathering when a man allegedly entered the premises and disconnected the power from a mini sound system. It is said that a scuffle ensued between the man and the officer. It is said that the man, according to eyewitnesses, went across the road to retrieve a big stone before taking aim at the cop. It is said that at this time the officer pulled his firearm and fired 2 cans at the man, one of which hit the man in his leg. The injured man was taken to the hospital where he was treated and released. Further investigation would suggest that the man has been suffering from some sort of mental issues. Relatives and friends close to the injured man stated this claim. Now the last thing that we are going to talk about, my peeps, is coming out of the eastern part of the island, the St. Thomas Police Division, where the Independent Commission of Investigation is now probing the circumstances surrounding the police fatal knockings and clappings of a man in St. Thomas on Wednesday. The man has since been identified as 24-year-old Tevon Fabs, said to be a laborer come from out of Hearties in Yallas, St. Thomas. So according to police reports, sometime around 2:40 a.m., a team of officers assigned to the Yallas police station armed with a warrant conducted a search of a home. It is said that Fabs, the now deceased man, was wanted in a case of malicious destruction of property. It is said that noises were reportedly heard coming from an abandoned building and the police went to investigate. It is said that they saw Tevon Fabs sleeping inside that building. A constable entered and attempted to apprehend the now deceased man, which led to a struggle. The police further reported that another constable went to assist, but it is said that the now deceased Tevon Fabs grabbed onto the M16 rifle of the police, causing the police to fall. The police stated that in fear of his life and his colleague being disarmed by the now deceased man, the constable who was initially struggling with the now deceased man calmed him up. It is said that he was pronounced you know what at the hospital. So the Independent Commission of Investigation, INDICOM, is presently investigating that police fatal knockings and clappings. So anyway, my peeps, remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to On The Spot News Media as I continue to bring you fresh news and updates in subsequent newscast. On The Spot News Media. Yeah, man.